Did you know a man lost $40 million in real estate and ended up renting his own apartment? Marcus owned everything: 15 buildings, zero debt, pure cash deals. He thought debt was for losers. Then 2008 hit. Property values crashed. Tenants stopped paying. Cash flow disappeared. He sold building after building just to survive. The last one? His crown jewel. 6 months later, he was renting a studio apartment in that same building. Rock bottom. But something happened in that tiny apartment. He met other investors who survived the crash. They didn't own everything outright. They controlled everything through leverage. While Marcus lost $40 million of his own money, they lost almost nothing, because it wasn't their money at risk. Marcus learned a hard truth. Wealth isn't about what you own, it's about what you control. Today, Marcus controls $200 million in assets. He owns almost none of it. Same person, different philosophy. The wealthy don't buy real estate, they access it.